Just the thought of organizing your garage is so overwhelming.
Reibii furniture has made organizing my garage so much easier and way less stressful with this 5-tier storage shelving unit. This is how messy my garage was before I got started, and this is how it looks now. Like, what? I definitely wouldn't have been able to do it without these shelves. It's extremely easy to put together, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. It also comes with gloves because, sometimes that metal can hurt your hands.
Adjusting how tall each shelf is was extremely easy because I kept having to change it because I was so indecisive of what I wanted on each shelf. It's about 6 feet tall and a little over 2 feet wide, making it easy to fit whatever you need to on there. I was so indecisive of exactly where I wanted the shelf, so I kept moving it. I don't recommend moving it with stuff on it, but even though it is so sturdy, it is lightweight. Each shelf can hold 400 pounds and a total of 1,500 pounds. My garage is no longer super overwhelming, which is making me a happy mama.